The ARC Industry Forum invites you to step into the future, where leaders and innovators converge to redefine the landscape of industrial sectors. Discover how to harness the power of generative AI, build cyber-resilient operations, and drive sustainability into the core of your business strategies. Learn from the stories of your peers and the successes of those leading the charge in digitalization, the energy transition, and competitive excellence. Whether it's through AI and cognitive analytics, digital twins, or predictive technologies, the ARC Industry Forum is the place to be for those ready to dismantle constraints and lead with both agility and innovation. Experience firsthand how integrated digital technologies are not just shaping the present, but paving the way for a resilient and sustainable future. Are you ready to transform your organization and lead in the digital age? Don't miss out this opportunity to be at the forefront of industrial transformation. Visit our website to secure your spot and be part of the conversation that's setting the pace for tomorrow's industry.